Number 3. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands, silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band, ports movement water resistant depth 100 meters, unique directional rotating bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case bag, tank claws. Number 2. Black dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands, silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band, ports movement water resistant depth 100 meters, fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case bag, fold over cloth with push button, case diameter 42 mm, item weight 5.43 ounces. Number 1. Galvanometer type anti-reflective sapphire crystal, display type analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 28 mm, band material stainless steel, band color silver, dial color white, movement switch